Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 733. The number 733 is a mix of the energies of the number 7 and the vibrations of the number 3. The number 3 shows up twice, which means that its effects are doubled. The number 33 is also a master number, which adds more vibrations. Number 7 is the number of spiritual awakening and growth, understanding oneself and others, introspection, the esoteric and mystical, empathic and psychic abilities, persistence of purpose and determination, study, research, and learning. Number 3 is about growth and expansion, spontaneity and open-mindedness, optimism, joy and enthusiasm, natural talent and skills, creativity, making your dreams come true, self-expression, and communication. The power of the Ascended Masters is also linked to the number 3. Master number 33 stands for the healer, compassion, blessings, honesty, discipline, bravery, and courage. The number 733 has a strong spiritual vibration because of this. Angel number 733 means that angels and other higher spiritual beings are supporting, surrounding, and loving you. It means you've worked hard on your spiritual path for a long time, and your angels want you to know that you've been able to bring prosperity and wealth into your life. Be open to getting what you've worked hard for and thankful for what you have. Angel number 733 is a strong sign of love, support, and motivation. Recognize, honor, and respect your natural talents and special skills, and use them to inspire others. Engage in a hobby, interest, pastime, or field of study that makes you feel alive, and let your creativity show the beauty that's already inside you. Share your truths in everything you do, and know that your life's purpose is to serve and teach others, and to set a good example for them by how you live. Angel number 733 tells you to look at things from a higher level of understanding. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.